JAE's KN01 and KN06 series high-density rectangular connectors provide flexible and reliable connectivity for applications in challenging environments, including robotics, factory automation, industrial equipment, medical equipment, and more. The KN01 is IP67 sealed and features a lightweight aluminum outer shell, while the KN06 connectors feature an unsealed plastic outer shell with 32 keying positions to prevent mismating. Both series can be fitted with up to 6 insulator blocks with 4 to 50 contacts ranging from size 8 to size 22, providing flexibility for the end user and allowing for power and signal in the same connector.
The KN01 features a unique rack and pinion lever structure, while the KN06 comes with an extendable lever structure that retracts to provide a low-profile design. Both structures allow for easy mating and unmating, while also providing added locking security while mated for use in high shock and vibration applications.
This also permits single-handed operation for hard-to-reach locations with ease.